Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial on Wondershare Filmora. Now Wondershare Filmora is a video editing application that you can use instead of using Adobe Premiere Pro. Now that you've gone through Adobe Premiere Pro, let us look at downloading Wondershare Filmora application and how you can use it. So you'll head over to your Chrome account, make sure you've logged in and search Wondershare Filmora, and it will appear over here. Now there are two versions. We have the free download version and we have the buy version. So if you want to buy one, let's just open that in a new tab. You can see they offer plans. So there's an individual plan, one for team and businesses, education and bundles, and these are the charges. So if you want to buy one, you can just head over here and click buy now. But if you want the free version, all you have to do is click on free download from over here. Let's scroll over here, and I want one that will work for Windows. So this is the option I'll select. Click on try for free, and what that will do is it will download it for you. So here it is. You can see it's already downloaded. So let's head over to our folder, and there we go. There we have it. Now I'll just double click on it. Click yes. Agree to the terms and conditions. So yeah, you'll have to check that box that says you have read and agreed to the Wondershare privacy policy and license agreement. Then click install, and now the installation process will begin. There we go. So once it's done, this will appear. Click start now. And then what it will do is that it will open up the source. So this is the program. This is how it will appear. This is the interface once you've completed installing. Now from here you can create a project. So you will head over here and select new project, and this is what the interface will look like. You have the project media over here, so you can import your video, audio, or images. You have the video player over here. So this is where you'll let me see what your edits will look like in the end or as you edit them. And this is our timeline. Just like we had in Premiere Pro, we have a timeline over here. So basically that's how you can download and install Wondershare Filmora on your desktop, and this is what it will look like once you are done. Now in our next lesson, we're going to take a deeper look into the interface and see some of the simple things that you can do using Wondershare Filmora.